Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate with Jaggery. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of your favorite milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and about 3 tablespoons of finely grated Jaggery. A small pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract will enhance the flavors. Having your Jaggery grated makes the next steps much smoother, ensuring a perfectly sweet drink. Next, we'll prepare our dry ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder with the 3 tablespoons of grated Jaggery. Don't forget to add that tiny pinch of salt. It really helps to bring out the chocolate flavor. Stir these ingredients together very well. This step is crucial for preventing any lumps when you add them to the milk, ensuring a silky smooth hot chocolate. Now, let's bring it all together. Pour the 2 cups of milk into a saucepan and heat it over medium heat. You want the milk to be hot, but not boiling. Once it's gently simmering, slowly whisk in your prepared Jaggery and cocoa mixture. Keep stirring continuously until all the Jaggery has completely dissolved and the hot chocolate is smooth and well combined. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly smooth and hot, remove it from the heat. Stir in the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of warmth and flavor. Give it one final stir, then pour it into your favorite mug. You can garnish with a sprinkle of cocoa, some whipped cream, or even a cinnamon stick. And for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Jaggery hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.